look at me. Say hi, Christine. Hi, Christine. Come here. Come here. Him likes toys. There we go. Come here. Come here. So Christine can see your eyes. Come here. Come here. Here, maybe I'll sit down. Come here, bud. Come here. Aww. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Huh? Woohoo! Look at that pretty boy. Oh, yeah. Aw, him so sweet.
Fur's all tangled up. But look at the tip of her tongue.
I know, I saw that. Him so pretty. Him so pretty. Yes, he is. Him's a good boy.
He got his head caught and Daddy pushed it open and it had
Aw, did you do
cord
that?
on there and
Did you do that? Aw.